Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product. This is from Casio.com. It's the Casio Edifice EFS560HR-1A. It's the Honda Racing Limited Edition version, which is pretty freaking awesome. This embraces the speed and force of the Honda racing team and sports a bold look on top of their original HR series. Its black Cordoba band and red accents match the signature colors of the Honda team. It's got the carbon fiber dial, which resembles the look of an asphalt racetrack and features the Honda Racing logo. Gold lettering marks the Edifice 20th anniversary, and a sapphire crystal enhances the dial, well protecting it from scratches. The metal strap keeper and backplate are engraved with the Honda logo, while the Edifice 20th century anniversary logo is engraved on the back. Beautiful, exceptional watch. It just looks really nice. It fits really nice, very comfortable, of course, and everything else. It's got a 100-meter water resistance. It's solar powered. It's got a 1-second stopwatch. It has measuring modes of lapse time of 1 and 2nd place times, battery level indicator, date display, regular timekeeping, analog 2 hands, hour and minute, 3 dials, seconds, stopwatch minutes, stopwatch seconds. Accuracy is plus or minus 20 seconds per month. Its operating time is a full charge until the hands stop, approximately 6 months. Comes with a case bezel material of carbon and stainless steel, and of course we mentioned the Cordoba band and the sapphire glass with non-reflective coating. Beautiful watch, and of course it will give you that excellent, wonderful performance you get from a Casio timepiece. Go to Casio.com to check this out. Order one up. We highly recommend it.